Hi everyone, today let's do a full face of makeup with Mamaearth products. So Mamaearth is a well-known vegan brand and it has a lot of skincare, baby care and makeup products and it is made safe certified. So today let's do a full face of makeup with this Mamaearth makeup products which I have. So let's get started. Let us start with the foundation. So this is the Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation with vitamin C and this is of shade Toffee Glow. So this is a really great foundation. I've used it a lot of times and the shade is also good for a medium to dusky skin tone. And in MAC, I use NC42. So this shade goes well for that. This one blends in really well. And the shade as well, as you can see, it's going on very well with my skin. So this is a serum infused foundation and it has got vitamin C as well. So that's the finish you're getting. I'm just setting it with a beauty blender as well. So this foundation doesn't oxidize much as far as I know, but for oily skin people, it might oxidize a bit. But this shade is really good, for my skin tone. So I don't have a concealer from Mamaearth because the shade range for the concealer is really less and it's very light. So for a medium to deep skin tone, you really don't get a good concealer shade from Mamaearth is what I've seen. So I'm going to use the same foundation just to, cover up the under eye areas and the pigmented areas. I'm applying a little bit. So coverage wise, it gives a decent coverage. I won't say it gives you a full coverage and it doesn't give a matte finish. So oily skin people need to set it well with a good compact. So I'm going to set it now with the Mamaearth Compact. So this is the Mamaearth Glow Oil Control Compact. This is also with vitamin C. And the shade is Almond Glow. This is the compact. It's a little darker shade, I feel. Yeah, I have used it, but yes, it is a little darker shade. So I'm just using the same puff which comes along with this compact to set it. But you definitely need to set this foundation well because it's not lightweight, I would say. It's a bit heavy on your skin. So a little product goes a long way, so you don't have to apply a lot of product, especially when you're using it on daily basis. So that's the shade from the compact. It's kind of a warm shade, I would say, giving a kind of orangish finish. That's what I feel. But this compact is really great. I really love the, the matte finish it gives, especially for an oily skin person like me. This is really great. I've used it a lot, as you can see here. So that is the finish with the foundation and the compact. So let's do some eye makeup. So I have this eyeliner from Mamaearth. So this is the Mamaearth Soothing Waterproof Eyeliner. So I'm not sure if you regularly watch my videos. I don't use eyeliner much because I have a hooded eyes and it really don't look good. Even if I apply it very closer to my lash line. So that's what I'm going to do it now. So I'm gonna apply it very close to my lash line. So it's very easy to apply. You can see this tip, it is very fine tip. You can do winged eyeliner very beautifully with this eyeliner. So next we move on to the mascara. So this is the Mamaearth Lash Care Volumizing Mascara. So you can see the bristles, it's like really big. It gives you really good volume. I have used this. So So that's the mascara. So it's giving good volume and it's also making your lashes thick. For me, I like mascaras a lot because my eyelashes are really small and it's very thin. So I love mascaras. And this one gives you really good volume and I really love it. So next we'll use the Kajal, the Kohl from Mamaearth. So this is the Mamaearth Charcoal Black Long Stay Kohl. So that's how it is. So it's giving a nice smooth finish and it is dark enough, showcasing your eyes really well. So next we'll use this lip, cheek and eye tint from Mamaearth, and this is of shade Cocoa Nude. But this is really small actually for the price. And this is how the shade is. It comes with a small mirror as well. So let's use this as blush and a little bit for my eyeshadow. So this is the first time I'm using it. Let's see how the shade is. It's kind of a nude brown shade. I'll apply a little bit on my eyes as well. And I don't think Mamaearth has eyeshadow products. So it's not very much pigmented according to me. I'll just try to blend it. Okay, so it's not very much pigmented. It's very lightly pigmented. Or maybe it's because of the shade. It's a nude brown shade. But for me, this is fine. I don't use much of blush. So this much level is like more than sufficient for me. Next, we'll move to the lipstick. So I have a lot of lipsticks from Mamaearth. The matte long stay lipstick, the soft matte lipstick, and the feather light liquid lipstick as well. So today I'm going to try this Mamaearth Hydra-Matte Crayon. Which is a transfer proof lipstick. So this I got a long time back and I have not used it, and this is a nice red shade. So let's use it now. So this is a lip crayon. So it's a nice bright shade. So this one will go well for any parties or any occasions. It's very lightweight. What I'll do now is I'll use this lip tint as well a little bit on top of it. Okay, so I'm liking this finish. So this is the final look from the Mamaearth makeup products and I really loved it. All the products are great. So the foundation, it doesn't give you a matte finish, so you need to set it well. And a little goes a long way. So little bit of the product is more than sufficient, especially when you're using it for a daily use. And all these products are made safe certified, so you can definitely use it on daily basis. And this has a lot of skincare ingredients, which is really great. So that's the output from the Mamaearth makeup products. I liked it and I hope you liked it as well and it was useful. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.